Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn PCM demodulation. PCM demodulation is the process used to recover the original analog signal from the transmitted digital data. PCM demodulation is the inverse process of PCM encoding. At the transmitter side, an analog signal is sampled, quantized, and encoded into digital code words. At the receiver side, the goal of PCM demodulation is to reconstruct the original analog signal from those recovered digital code words. This reconstruction is done using a device called as PCM decoder. The PCM decoder performs the recovery of the original signal in two main stages: constructing a staircase signal, smoothing the signal to obtain a continuous analog waveform. In the first step, the PCM decoder reads the incoming digital code words. These binary code words are converted back into pulses with corresponding amplitudes. A very important part here is the sample and hold circuit. It converts each code word into a pulse. It holds the amplitude constant until the next pulse arrives. Because of this holding action, the output looks like a staircase signal. The staircase signal is a rough approximation of the original analog waveform. The staircase signal still has sharp edges and sudden jumps, which are not present in a real analog signal. So, in the second step, the staircase signal is passed through a low-pass filter. Low-pass filter removes high-frequency components, smooths out sharp transitions, converts the staircase waveform into a continuous analog signal. For accurate recovery, the cutoff frequency of this filter must be the same as the cutoff frequency used at the transmission. Accurate PCM demodulation depends on a few important conditions, like Nyquist sampling rate. The original signal must have been sampled at least the Nyquist rate. If undersampling occurs, the signal cannot be reconstructed correctly. Second, sufficient quantization levels. More quantization levels result in a staircase signal that more closely resembles the original waveform. Few levels cause higher quantization error. Amplification. The recovered signal may need amplification so that its maximum and minimum values matches the original analog signal.